-25 outside. This brownie tray. Now I have to transfer it back. Smells heaven. Oh, they're so Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today is Saturday, my day off, so I have decided to bake some brownies. It's been ages since I bake anything at home, so it was high time that I bake today. So let's bake brownies together. But I have to run some errands because I have to grab some ingredients for brownie because I've just checked in the fridge and I have to get something. I have to get like one or two ingredients, so let's go to the superstore. Well, it's -25 outside, so this brownie better be good. Okay, I'm all ready. Let's go. Okay, so I just came back from the superstore. I got all the things I need. Besides, I didn't find. Besides, I couldn't find chocolate chips. Besides, I couldn't find chocolate chips, so that was a bummer. But we shall not lose hope. Okay, let me give you a quick haul. I got this brownie tray. And then I got yogurt, another yogurt. Then I got some kurkure, and then dosa mix. That's all. Now let me change into my pajamas and we'll start on baking. Okay, so here I am. Now let's start on baking. Okay, so first I'm gonna add all the wet ingredients in a bowl and then I'll mix it with the dry ingredients. First I'm going to take the yogurt. If you want, you can bake with me, like take out your ingredients and just start. Okay, I'll take 1 cup of yogurt. This is not my first time baking. I have baked millions of recipes before. Okay, let me do this first before I forget. Let's make brownies. Okay, now back to baking. So what was I saying? That I have baked a lot of cakes before. I have baked a lot of cakes before because I didn't like the market cakes because they had like egg in it, or I just generally don't like it. So what I used to do was every time my birthday or my brother's birthday or my parents' birthday, I would not let them get the cake from the market and I would make it for them. One, I love baking. I don't have a sweet tooth, but when it comes to baking, I cannot resist. So this goes in the bowl. Baking, it's like therapy for me. I would forget every tension in my life when I bake. So this was long due. I had to bake it. And now I'm gonna mix the oil. I couldn't find baking powder, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we shall have hope. So the amount of curd I'll take half of the oil. So goes in the bowl. Let me just start my oven first. So it takes a lot of time preheating. So okay, now I'm adding sugar. It's same amount of sugar I add like the the amount of curd you put in, the sugar should be exactly the same. This is my recipe, so try it on your own risk. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it. Oh, I forgot the essence. I don't have the vanilla essence, so I'm adding chocolate essence. Now you mix. Well, the vibe is not working for me. Let me put some music on and we'll bake while listening to the music. I'm playing on my laptop because I'm vlogging on my phone, so. Now I'm adding milk, but I'm not gonna add it all inside. I'll just add half of it now and then I'll pour it when after adding all the dry ingredients. I'm adding 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour in it. Now I'm adding 3 or 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Gimme all that into me. Gimme. That's a lot. That's all. I want to eat decadent brownie. Oh, and don't forget a pinch of salt because it makes all the difference. Okay, it goes inside. Now, I have some I have some milk compounds. I'm gonna add chunks of it inside because I couldn't find chocolate chips. This looks delicious. Let me just taste. Gorgeous. Now I'm gonna chop some walnuts and some almonds. No. Can't you stay steady? Okay, please don't move. Okay, now I'm gonna chop some walnuts, some almonds, and after that I'll add baking soda in it and then we'll put it in the oven. I'm gonna add half of this inside and left some for the garnishing. I'm gonna grease the pan and we'll put the batter in the. The oven is preheated now, so I better hurry. Although it's non-stick, but I have trust issues. Transfer. Shit, I forgot to add the baking soda inside. Now I have to transfer it back in the bowl and add baking soda and after transfer it back. Why do I do this? Okay. It's alright. I've added the soda. Now let's pour it in the pan. Now I'm cutting some chocolate. Now tell me this does not look delicious and I will kill you. Because after an eternity, this is going inside the oven. Mm, so hot. Please be good. Okay, now I'm gonna set the timer for 30 minutes. And we shall have faith and wait. Okay, so while it is in the oven, I'm gonna clear this mess up. Clearly it's a lot, so I'll do the dishes first. Then I'm planning to make hot chocolate to eat with brownies. So let's go. Okay, so there is still 15 minutes left for the brownies. So now I'm gonna watch that series, and after that I'll eat the brownies. It's just near peace. Smells heaven. I cannot even tell you how great it smells. I think it's done, but we shall check first. Well, I do have a toothpick, but I don't have time to find where it is, so I'm gonna check it with the fork. Doesn't it look incredible? Just gonna check. And it's clearly done. Now we shall take it out. I don't want to burn my hands, so now I'm gonna let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes. Until then, I'm going to make my hot chocolate. I'm gonna add the powder. Now, without wasting any time, I'm just gonna cut through my brownies, although I don't want to, but I've gotta eat them. My hot chocolate is ready here, and let me just cut them before it cools down, because I want to eat hot brownies. Oh my god, they are so fudgy. This is the brownie. Look at that. Doesn't it look gorgeous? It is so gorgeous. I can't wait to try it. I can't. Mm. Now I'm going to eat this brownie and hot chocolate. So see you in another video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. It would mean a lot to me if you guys subscribe and leave a comment down. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Restaurant.